Hello. Can you help me find a book?
Of course. What book do you need?
I need a book about animals. It is for my schoolwork.
We have many books about animals. Please follow me.
Oh, this one looks great. Thank you. Can I take this book home?
Yes. Do you have a library card?
No, I do not. Can I get one?
Yes, it is free. Just write your name and number here.
Okay. Here it is.
You can keep the book for 2 weeks.
Great. Thank you very much. Hello. I want to return this book.
Of course. What is your name?
My name is Amy. Amy Green.
The book was due yesterday. Sorry.
Oh, I am sorry. I forgot. Is there a fine?
Just 50 cents. It is not much.
Okay. Here it is. Sorry again.
No problem. Come back again.
Hello, can I get a haircut today?
Yes, please sit down.
Thank you. How long is the wait?
No, wait. I am free now.
Oh, great. Thank you. I want a short haircut, please. Not too short, just a little.
Okay, like this.
Yes, that looks good.
What about the sides?
Short on the sides, please.
Okay, I will start now.
Thank you. Wow, it looks very good. Thank you.
Thank you. I am happy you like it.
How much is it?
It is $12.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Oh, thank you very much.
See you next time. Goodbye.
Hello. I want to open a bank account.
Of course. Please sit down.
Thank you. What do I need?
Just your passport and your phone number.
Here is my passport.
Thank you. I will open it now.
How long will it take?
Just 10 minutes.
Hello. I want to send some money.
Of course. Where do you want to send it?
To my mother. She lives in another city.
Okay. How much do you want to send?
$200, please.
Okay, it will arrive today.
Oh, great. Thank you so much. Hello. I have a big problem.
What happened?
I lost my bank card. I cannot find it anywhere.
Do not worry, we can help you. We will stop your old card now.
Oh, thank goodness. When can I get a new card?
In 3 days, we will call you.
Thank you very much.
Hello, I want to send this package.
Of course. Where is it going?
To London, please.
Okay. Put it on the scale, please.
How much is it?
It is $18.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. It will arrive in 5 days.
Hello, can I buy some stamps?
Yes. How many do you need?
5 stamps, please.
For letters or packages?
For letters, to my friends.
Okay. Here are 5 stamps. It is $3.
Here you go, thank you. Hello, I have this paper. I think I have a package here.
Yes. Can I see your passport?
Here it is.
Thank you. One moment, please.
Okay, thank you.
Here is your package. It is heavy.
Oh, yes. It is from my mother. Thank you very much.
Hello. 2 tickets, please.
Which film would you like?
The one at 6 o'clock, please.
Okay, window or middle seats?
Middle, please.
That is $16 for two.
Here is my card. Thank you. Excuse me. Where is screen 3?
Go straight, then turn right.
Is it far from here?
No, just 2 minutes.
Okay. What time does the film start?
In 10 minutes, please hurry.
Okay. Thank you. Hello. 1 popcorn, please.
Big or small?
Small, please. And 1 juice, too.
What flavor juice?
Orange, please.
Okay, that is $8.
Here you go. Thank you.
Enjoy the film. Hello, I want to join the gym.
Welcome. Is this your first time?
Yes, I have never been to a gym.
No problem. I will show you everything.
Thank you. How much is it per month?
It is $30 per month.
Okay, I want to start today. Excuse me, how do I use this?
This is for your arms. Sit here. Hold this. Pull slowly.
Like this?
Yes. Very good. Do it 10 times.
Okay, it is a little hard.
That is normal. You will get stronger.
Excuse me, where is the water?
Near the door, on the right.
Thank you. I'm very tired today.
That is good. You worked hard.
When should I come back?
Come 3 times a week. It is best.
Okay, see you next time.
Good job today. See you.